Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Arizona DOR for e-file registrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Arizona Department of Revenue's official website. Locate the section dedicated to e-file registrations. Select the link for e-file authentication. You will be redirected to the authentication portal. Identify the option that applies to your needs, whether you are an individual taxpayer or a business entity. For individuals, you will need to provide your social security number and date of birth. For businesses, have your employer identification number and the business's legal name ready. Fill out the appropriate fields accurately. After entering your information, review it to ensure all details are correct. Click the Submit button to process your request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating your application status. If successful, you will receive an email with your authentication code. This code is essential for accessing e-file services. Keep the email for your records, as it contains important information. If you encounter any issues, return to the website's help section for troubleshooting tips. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. Once authenticated, you can proceed to register for e-filing services. Log into the e-file system using your authentication code. Complete your registration by providing any further requested information. After successful registration, you will be ready to e-file with the Arizona DOR. If you need assistance, consider reaching out to the customer support team for further guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.